Welcome back to the What is SEO? SEO for Beginners series. In the last video, we went over SEO factor number 7, security. We talked about the importance of website security, how to know if your site is secure, and some options to secure your website. In this video, we are on number 8 of the 10 most important ranking factors, and this one is mobile friendliness. SEO factor number 8, mobile friendliness. In addition to being secure, your website also needs to be mobile friendly. That means it looks good and works properly on smartphones and other devices. Websites that aren't mobile friendly won't rank as well in search engines. One way to see how your website performs on mobile devices is to go to Google Search Console and look for Mobile Usability Report. There you can see if there are any mobile issues with your website. Or even easier, you can just go to Google and type in mobile friendly website and a little box will pop up that is from Google and you can run through the test right there. Another way is to test your site on different devices. This will give you some real world data and you can see your site through the eyes of your visitors. Then you can either fix the issues or note them for your web person to adjust. Given that so many searches happen on mobile devices, it is super important that your website is optimized for them. In the next video in the series, we will dive into SEO factor number 9, structural data.